Hello everyone! So today we are with the best beauty brand in Korea, and I'm so excited to list down my top 3 favorite products from it. 안녕하세요 여러분, 이재신입니다. Hello everyone, it's Jack, and today we're going to dig into the Korean skincare line called NACIFIC, which focuses on the healthy and natural beauty. Before I start with the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to NACIFIC Beauty Products PH for sponsoring all my NACIFIC Beauty products. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to list down my top 3 favorite products from NACIFIC that focuses on the Phytoniacin line, which is loved by so many customers. Let's go! So let's now go into the first item, which is the Phytoniacin Whitening Toner. This product does what it claims, and this one is really ideal for dull and blemished skin. Whitening toner from NACIFIC is really a game changer for me because I've used a lot of toners before that left my skin dry and dull, but when I used this product, it really hydrated my skin, leaving it moisturized and supple. Okay, so down to the next item. This is a must-have for me. This is the NACIFIC Phytoniacin Whitening Essence. What I like about Phytoniacin Whitening Essence from NACIFIC is that it has a very light texture. So it's easily absorbed by your skin, and this is really ideal for daytime use. This product has passed so many clinical tests in Korea. It is proven safe and effective, and even verified that it really improves one's skin tone. What I really like about Phytoniacin Whitening Essence from NACIFIC is that this product doesn't have any smell at all, and also when you apply it on your face, the texture is really light, just like what I've mentioned a while ago, and it doesn't make your skin feeling sticky. So the third item that I'm going to introduce to you is the Phytoniacin Whitening Tone-Up Cream. Using this Phytoniacin Whitening Tone-Up Cream from NACIFIC can even out your skin tone, and it really helps to lessen the appearance of wrinkles on your face. What I like as well about this product is it has a pump that you can use to control how much product you want from it. The key ingredients of Phytoniacin Whitening Tone-Up Cream are peptide and adenosine. That I've introduced to you a while ago, this Phytoniacin Whitening Tone-Up Cream doesn't have any smell at all when you apply it onto your face, and is easily absorbed by your skin. Okay, so these are my top 3 favorite products from the NACIFIC Phytoniacin line. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And actually, all of the NACIFIC products are really good, so please check them out as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and click on the notification bell for more updates. Hope to see you on my next video, and see you guys soon.